Hello, I'm Alyssa with Student Academic Success Services, and I've been your host of the weekly writing workshop series called Write Nights. We've been meeting every Tuesday to look at different topics related to grammar, style, and structure of academic writing. Although the topics have changed every week, there have been a few guiding principles that have been consistent throughout the term. We've talked about the iterative nature of the writing process and how the process itself includes reading and researching and editing and drafting and discussing, and we have to go over and over these steps to produce a strong academic piece of writing. The writing itself, though, tends to be quite linear in nature. We like to have a nice narrowly defined thesis or hypothesis or question or point that we will develop in a very straight and direct way throughout our piece. We see this linear structure in paragraphs as well. A good academic paragraph starts with a narrowly defined specific topic sentence that outlines what that paragraph is going to be about. It then builds in research and evidence and examples from the literature, and then finishes with a commentary that explains how this idea connects to the overall argument of the piece and why the idea is significant or what connections can be drawn from it. That commentary piece is illustrative of how academic writing is meant to be social and dialogical. As an academic, as a university student, you are a scholar entering the conversation of your discourse. You're meant to be engaging in the ideas of the readings and the research that you're looking at for your coursework or for your dissertation, and not simply summarizing or describing the research that you're using, but analyzing, commenting, challenging, supporting. We've talked a lot at Write Nights about how choosing intentional vocabulary words, specifically verbs, can be really effective in producing strong academic writing. Expert academic writers seek to use vocabulary that is objective and concise and discipline-specific. So we've talked about strategies for developing an academic vocabulary that is specific to your field of study. We've also talked a lot about grammar as a tool and how the choices you make at the sentence level can help your reader more effectively interpret the message that you're trying to convey. Remember that academic writing in the Canadian culture, at least, is a writer-responsible culture. It's your job as the writer to provide your reader with all of the information that they need to accurately and effectively interpret your ideas and see the connections that you want them to see. If these things sound like they would be interesting for you or helpful for you in your own academic writing, then I hope you'll join us next term as we continue to look at topics related to the grammar, structure, and style of academic writing. If you have any questions, check out sas.queensu.ca for more information and additional resources.